Hi, this is Tarek here from stockoptionexpert.com. Wanted to share two of our big setups that we have been following. One of them is Twtr. Twtr, this is just an insane move from this 2350. Yeah, this is where they started to buy calls volume here on around 26th and 25th. If you look at the candle formation, it almost seems like a bullish formation, like the bottom was holding around 2380, although this was a shakeout candle here, and this is where they make big calls on betting that the stock is going to move higher. This is when we immediately alerted our members on this day here. If you go in any of my public account, you will see probably that post. Look here, on 27th I said 6,000 calls volume got bought, and it is looking strong. And what happened immediately? This thing on 27th, this is the move it made, and then it did not look back. Look what happened. Since here the stock is up almost $3.5. This is a massive 12-13% move. In such a weak market, this is a top mover. So this is what got our attention. As soon as we saw that the volume was high, so we took a guess that the bulls are taking a big bet on this one, and it just exploded. A few of our members had their calls. Also, we included this in our last week's elite report. So if it came last week, it was probably some area here that the stock is. This is where our folks again got alerted that you should stick to your calls, and it moves on the way, and it just exploded today, pretty insane way. So it really, there's a big event tomorrow, so we have keeping an eye how it does. But we locked 50%. I told our folks to lock 50 or 75% of the profits. You cannot just let it go. Another top movers was Sun Edison. This is really huge. It exploded today. If you look at it, I think when did we see Sune? On a long time ago, it got to our attention. Look which day it is. This is one on 26th. So the alert came on 25th to our premium members. So it means most of our alerts goes to our premium members first, as they are the priority. And you see how it exploded. Since then, look at what happened. This is on 26th. I'm saying that the 10,000 calls are there. This was another institutional bet, as we only focus on the big buyers. We only focus on the big buyers that are directional trades. So this just since 26th, it never looked back like the way Twitter did. Look what happened. It just exploded from 850 to today. It's at almost at 1225. It made again only 12%, 11% moves today. And from here it moved more than 25%. So in a weak market, when everything is falling apart, this is really a strong move. So this really paid us really well. So this really went pretty other. A few of our other one we were following, CVC. It is still in our chat room watch list here. We saw big September call buying here on this day. And this stock, our buy signal went here. On the following day, there was almost 14,000 calls were blocked. So this was another institutional block. You can check all my trades. I even mentioned it here, and that's when it went up here. So this is really huge move, 5-6% move last 3 days. It's really paid us well. If you are on our take on the market, so SPY is still hanging around tender line here. So we have to see there are resistance, first level of resistance here today, 198.35. So we have to see how this plays out next few days. Also, this thing is really choppy. Are we trading a lot? This is the one of 2 days we played downside. Did we play this upside? No, we did not play any option. Only we are day trading from day to day. In this market, you cannot just swing trade anything. It's really tricky market. Unless you trade smartly, it's easy to lose. We are there keeping it day to day. So another one, QQQ, you have to look at its support holding. Here also there is big resistance here. It need to pass, and otherwise this thing can come down here and to be. It all depends on how Fed will react next week to the how they will decide if they will raise the rates. I think if the rates are raised, market will take another 5% dump. Otherwise, it will do the other way. The market, if there is no rate hike, it might explode the other way around. Another one, we played downside today. This was a quite a day trade here. We shorted here around 50-day resistance line here, and it was a quite a nice trade for day trade from 126 around here. We 126.85. So this is really a $3 mover here for our members. So keeping an eye how it plays out next few days on the whole market, and we will adjust according to positions. I'm day trading, not swinging much. It's you can get caught up in this mess unless you especially options. If you trade options, you have to do it smartly. So please share. Thank you.